A boy's desperate cries echoed as the river's strong current pulled him further away. On the bank, his childhood friend, Ali, watched in horror, recognizing Zishan's face amidst the swirling water. Ali and Zishan had grown up together in their small village, sharing every joy and sorrow. Just moments before, they were laughing and skipping stones near the river, enjoying a carefree afternoon. Suddenly, Zishan slipped on a wet rock, losing his balance and plunging into the fast-flowing water. Fear gripped Ali's heart, but the sight of Zishan's struggling face ignited a fierce resolve within him. Without a second thought, Ali bravely jumped into the treacherous river, battling the powerful current towards his friend. He grabbed Zishan's hand firmly, and with immense effort, managed to pull them both towards a shallow part of the bank. Safe but shivering, Zishan embraced Ali, gratitude overwhelming his tears and silent sobs. That day, their friendship was forged stronger than steel, a living example of true loyalty and sacrifice. True friendship is a bond of loyalty and love, where friends stand by each other, even in the face of danger.
एक किसान के बेलचे से किसी सख्त चीज से टकराने की आवाज आई, जिससे इसके खुश्क खेत में दबा हुआ एक चमकता हुआ सुनहरी सिक्का जाहिर हुआ। रेहान, एक गरीब किसान, इस अनोखे सिक्के को घूरता रहा, इसका दिल हैरत और उम्मीद की एक चमक के साथ धड़क रहा था। इसी रात वो वाहिद सिक्का इसकी छोटी सी मेज पर पुरस्रार तौर पर दुगना हो गया, इसकी आंखों के सामने एक मौजिज़ा हो रहा था। कई हफ्तों तक रेहान हर सुबह एहतियात से एक सिक्का लेता रहा, और उसके खानदान की भूख आहिस्ता आहिस्ता खत्म होती गई जैसे ही खुशहाली आई। लेकिन जल्द ही इसकी खुशी एक ना खत्म होने वाली ख्वाहिश में बदल गई। वो एक नहीं बल्कि सैकड़ों हजारों सिक्के फौरन चाहता था। इसने एक मंसूबा बनाया, इस बात पर यकीन था कि अगर इसे सोने का घोंसला आमाखज मिल गया तो वो एक ही बार में सारा सोना निकाल सकेगा। एक कुदाल के साथ इसने अपने पूरे खेत को गुस्से से खोद डाला, अपनी फसलों को तबाह कर दिया और जमीन को फाड़ डाला। इसे बंजर जमीन के सवा कुछ ना मिला। जादू इसके लालच को भांपते हुए मुकम्मल तौर पर गायब हो चुका था। रेहान अपने तबाहशुदा खेत के दरमियान खड़ा था, इसके खाली हाथ में अब एक आम सिक्का था। इसे अपनी संगीन गलती का एहसास हो रहा था। इसकी जमीन बंजर थी, इसका खानदान दोबारा भूखा था, और सोने का ना खत्म होने वाला सिलसिला हमेशा के लिए खत्म हो चुका था। लालच हमें हकीकी नेमतों से अंधा कर देता है और अक्सर हमें इन तमाम चीज़ों से महरूम कर देता है जो हमारे पास थीं।
A magnificent clay pot, declared a masterpiece moments earlier, suddenly shattered into 1,000 pieces, echoing through the busy marketplace. Asim, the village's most renowned potter, scowled. He had boasted about his unparalleled skill for years, often looking down on others' simpler creations. An old woman, Nanny Ghoul, with kind eyes, had been watching him silently from a corner. She rarely spoke but observed everything with quiet wisdom. Frustrated and defeated, Asim tried to recreate the pot but failed repeatedly. His usual confidence had completely vanished. Nanny Ghoul finally approached him, offering a small, perfectly formed clay ball. "Even the strongest pot starts with the humblest, most flexible clay," she whispered. Asim initially scoffed, wondering what this quiet old woman could possibly teach him about pottery. He almost dismissed her words entirely. Later that evening, staring at the simple clay ball, Asim recalled Nanny Ghoul's words. He realized his immense pride had made his clay stiff and unworkable. The next morning, Asim started with a fresh, humble mindset, focusing on the basics and the clay's natural properties. He worked slowly, patiently. From his renewed effort emerged a pot, not grander, but far sturdier and more beautiful than any he had made before. It possessed a quiet, enduring strength. Asim presented the pot to Nanny Ghoul, bowing his head in respect. He finally understood that true strength comes from humility, not arrogance. True strength and mastery come from humility and a willingness to learn, not from pride or arrogance.